like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and scream.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, y'all. Got my bonnet on, but it's the next day. I think my favorite time. It's like literally the thing that I enjoy the most about coming to Jamaica is waking up in the morning to just like the kakakura. Them look or something there. Good morning, Kai Kai. Hey, I get that look a bath. Hey, Farid. Hey, Farid. Hey, man. Kaya beard, guys. And then look a bath pan. Jima beard him. Hey, Dr. Neil Freda.
No, but you know I know.
Then dog know them, right? Hey, look one know them. Hey, look one know them. A big one know them.
You tell it.
Morning, boy.
That's good.
Kaya got spoiled down here now.
Yeah.
But guys, I was telling you, like, my favorite part is waking up in the morning, do it with the sun, the cat, my crew, everything. I didn't eat anything yet. I drink on bag juice. So I'm gonna eat one mango. I have my mango. If y'all know, I'm always eating a mango the next day when I come down here. So I'm gonna get a mango. It's already there, but I'm trying to do a bunch of things. Whenever I'm gonna wear my life, I pack up my clothes them. So I'm packing up my clothes and my suitcase them now. Pack up Kai stuff and then I'll pick up back the vlog. But me I do will leave or something. Say good morning, girl power.
Good morning.
You brush your teeth already?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. You what?
You look a puppy.
You look a puppy? No look a puppy no there.
Yes, I look.
It's smaller one. You know look but it's smaller one.
Which brown dog is? Should I say?
Red man. You don't know they know red. You don't know it. They don't know it. So guys, my eyelid. So guys, I think what I'm gonna do for the rest of the vlog, I'm gonna show y'all, like, I'm tidying up. I'm gonna show y'all a few pieces of the morning and I'm gonna close out the vlog. So it's like the travel, the morning of, after type of thing. Don't mind my body. I had to tie it up because I hate when I take a shower and it get wet. So I just had to do that. So I'm currently making the bed. Look at this, y'all. This is my luggages. I brought braid in here because I'm gonna do braids. Luggage. So I'm packing them out. Ooh, I just hit my toe. So I'm packing them out. Let me show y'all. I'm packing stuff out. So what I do, I pack like my judging clothes. If you're not familiar, I don't know if people do this too or it's just a Caribbean thing, I don't know. But we have judging clothes, so like clothes you wear in the house, clothes I'll put on if I'm going on the road, like, you know, look or something. So I'm doing those. I got my underwear and stuff in one drawer, and then I currently am packing out, like, if I'm going out, those type of clothes. Some things I might hang up, but these can be folded, and when I'm ready to wear them, I just iron them. Yeah, so that's basically all of this right now. That's what I'm doing. We're just gonna tidy up the place, you know. My grandparents are getting a little older, so it's certain things, like when we come, like I don't have a problem. I'm just vlogging this to let y'all know, like, the real deal. But like when we come, we clean up our space that we're standing, clean up the house, like everything like that. Not saying the house is dirty, you know what I'm saying, but it's certain things that they're getting older, they can't manage to do on their own. So basically whenever I come to Jamaica, like the next day, this is basically what we do. Right now I'm gonna have no money. Like, I don't have one Jamaican dollar. I barely brought US down here too, so I need to go get some money. We didn't end up going out last night. The plan was, we've been planning this party that happened last night to go, but Sweets got sick. So Sweets came on Monday, I came Tuesday, and Sweet's been sick since he landed. So he's been out for the count. He felt better today, so I gave him some stuff last night. He feels better today, so he's currently in the shower, taking a shower and stuff to get up. But yeah, Kai's around here. Kai's with his family. He's having the time of his life, and I love that for him because I need some time to, like, do what I gotta do and clean up and tidy up. I like when my space is tidy, like, you know, I'm spreading the bed, let me know my clothes them there. I don't have to like pull down the suitcase. I don't have to do none of that. So that I just like to be comfortable like I'm at home. I do that at hotels too. So if I'm going to a hotel, I'll do the same thing. I like to pack out my clothes so I can see, or pull out a drawer and I can see it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I have stuff that I don't know where they are, because we just like threw stuff in suitcases because of like weight and stuff. So yeah, enough yipping and yapping. When I'm done, I'll show y'all the after. So this is the before. Okay, this is the before. I already made the bed, like I said, but I just gotta fix the pillow.
Funeral but Thursday.
Kai, your great grandmother catch you up in a basin.
Hey.
Eh? Hey. Kai, he might look on this thing and like you pretty much match my clap. Kai, yeah, every time of your life.
The first time I look on me and I laugh.
Alright guys, we're still at work. We're still at work. I know, what time is it right now? It's 4:30 and we work from morning. But I'm kind of done. The kids messed up in bed again because I made it and Kai was on there. My little cousin was on the bed. So the bed me have to just straighten it up back. But this is what I was able to do. Spread out my something on my dresser with my runner. Talk to me nice. I got my makeup, my gum, a little NSC, my bags and stuff. Just, you know, we have Kai shoes them laid out. That's the best we can do with the space that I have. So I got some stuff. I threw some like miscellaneous stuff in the drawer. Look off that AC. Yeah. Oh, and I got some of my shoes right there. So I'm gonna try Kai with some GUINEP. I got this fruit circle thingy. I'm gonna try him with some GUINEP. We got some GUINEP, so I'm gonna try like 2 in there. Look out here, just throw him in like base. And let's let us say papa in your base.
Kiara, now stain up your clothes.
So anytime when you bite it off of you, and then you know when you and now you wash it before you touch your clothes. Alright guys, so here's the GUINEP in here. I only was able to fit 1 in there, so let's try it. Come on, Baba. GUINEP. Your clothes are staying up the wall. Move no fly. My boss said, go look at your grandson, mommy. Go on, Papa want to kill the fly. Who want go so?
Hey.
In something.
What you throw it there for you done?
So, yes, when I eat the stuff, you put them in a bag.
1 bag here.
We have 1 bag here.
Don't eat it off of your clothes. Don't mess up your clothes.
Sorry, me, I see the flies.
Hey guys, what's up? It's a day later. It's the next day, nighttime, really. Went to the party. I don't know if I mentioned, but I went out last night, went to a party. It was alright. And today we went into town to Port Antonio, and the road, y'all, is horrible. The road is horrible. I don't think I'm going back to Port if it's not necessary. I'm not going back. Like it's chalked. I don't want to go back. It's Portland Road, horrible. And it's funny because people, when I be watching people video and they talk about Portland Road, I be getting my feelings, but it's the truth. It's honestly the truth. People need to stop vote and fight for them rights. Basic infrastructure, well, for have, we don't have. And when election come, them a campaign. I don't understand what do people them a fight for. Y'all, it's just like I don't even want to get into all of this talk because it's going to bring in politics, and I really don't care for either party, to be honest. So it's just, I don't know. I don't feel like people fight for their rights and fight for their basic needs in this country. Well, let me not say in this country, in my area, because they don't have the basic water. You should, y'all, the trash truck don't come. It's like everything happens around election time. When the election done and die down, back to square one. The roads are horrible. Like, I don't want to drive. I drove to Port Antonio today and I'm not go back unless I have to. Like literally, if Kai needs something, I'll go. But hopefully he does not, because I don't need anything in Port Antonio. Like nothing. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Look who it is. Hi Kai Kai. Hi Kai Kai. Baba. Hi Baba. Hi Baba.
Miss Rachel, I'm gonna be like, hello, new friend. Hello.
Hey Baba.
Look.
Guys, we got the whole kiddos in here at Jamaica crazy. That one your mouth are going hold your ringy. That one your TikTok, Miss TikTok over there. Miss Quiet over there. Move Q, Makosidi. Miss Quiet over there. Miss Trouble over here. And Bali Bali over there. Oh, and went to the market today. Place pricey. How much you spend, Q?
50,000.
50,000 exact?
Yeah, rich. 51,000.
51,000 something for nothing. For a little bit of things. But yes, I'll catch y'all in the next vlog. Stay tuned for the Jamaica videos. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Actually, we're gonna finish off the night. We're playing some ABC Faster Slow with the kids. So me just win the round. Me just win the round, because you, for the person that needs to say stop, you have to hurry up and do it. Then you say stop. Una move too slow. Somebody says stop. So I got the most for this round. So we're gonna finish off the night by playing some ABC Faster Slow. We were supposed to play some dominoes and we'll have vibe and drink, but shovel him up the thing. So tomorrow we'll do that. So I'll see y'all tomorrow in a fresh, well, not tomorrow. I'll see y'all in the next vlog, which will be starting tomorrow. So thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.